John, the local roofer, spent £3,000 on a professional website. The website is fast, SEO ready, mobile optimized, proper content on every page. 6 months later, it ranks for the business name and nothing else. The agency did everything correctly. The problem was something neither of them thought to check. Now today I'm going to show you something we've learned after building over 1,000 websites over the last 10 years. Websites that rank local businesses at the top of Google. Now it's not how great your website looks, it's something else. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to rank even a bad looking website at the top of Google for your local service in your area. Firstly, and this is very important because we see this across the board when we audit websites for local businesses, and it's when a website isn't aligned with the company's Google business profile. Now your website needs a service page for every Google Business Profile category. On your Google Business Profile, you can have 1 primary category and up to 9 additional categories. But realistically, you don't want to use all 10. From what we've seen, the businesses that rank best are using around 4 to 6 categories. Not loads of random ones, just the ones that actually match what they do. Because as of now, there are over 4,000 categories on Google, and you don't need all of them. You just need the right ones. So let's break this down. Let's say you're a plumber in Chelsea. Your primary category would be plumber, that's your main service. Then your secondary categories would be things like gas fitter, gas engineer, drainage service, bathroom renovator, central heating service, gas installation service. Now here's the important part. Your website structure needs to match this. So your primary category, plumber, and the location you're in, Chelsea, London, should be your homepage, and that homepage should be targeting something like plumber in Chelsea, London, or local plumber in Chelsea, London. That becomes your main keyword, and that is your most powerful page. Then your secondary categories become your service pages. So inside your website, in your services drop down, you'd have pages like gas fitter in Chelsea, London, gas engineer in Chelsea, London, drainage services in Chelsea, London, bathroom installation in Chelsea, London, central heating services in Chelsea, London, gas installation in Chelsea, London. You can see where I'm going with this. Each one gets its own page, and each page targets the service plus the location. Now what you're doing here is aligning your website with your Google Business Profile. And when you do that, you're sending very clear signals to Google about what you do and where you do it. And that's how you start ranking higher, not just for one keyword, but across multiple services in your area. Now the next thing a lot of people get wrong is not having real reviews on their website. What most businesses do is they just screenshot reviews and stick them on the page. And honestly, it doesn't build any trust at all. If someone lands on your website and just sees a bunch of screenshots, it doesn't really mean anything. It could be fake, it could be edited. There's no real proof behind that. So let me show you what I mean. If you Google plumber London and scroll through some of the lower ranking websites, you'll see this a lot. They've got reviews on the site. They look nicely designed, but they're just static images. There's no real credibility there. Now compare that to a site that's pulling in real live reviews. This is where tools like ElfSite come in. What this tool does is it pulls your reviews directly from your Google Business Profile and displays them on your website. So instead of screenshots, you've got real names, real ratings, the Google logo, everything looks authentic. So when someone lands on your site and sees that, it instantly builds trust. And setting it up is so simple. You just go into the tool, pick a review widget, choose a layout, search for your business and connect it. It will then generate a live feed of your reviews. Click publish, copy the code and place it on your website. And that is honestly it. Now your site is automatically pulling in reviews in real time. Another benefit is that it can filter out negative reviews as well. So your homepage is showing your best feedback. You can also take it a step further and create a full reviews page. So if you've got loads of reviews, you can display all of them in one place, proper social proof. And visually, it just looks so much better. You can see real people, real profiles, everything feels and looks legit. Because at the end of the day, if someone doesn't trust your website within a few seconds, they're not going to use your service. Now the next thing you need to do is use a chatbot on your website. And this is a really powerful way to increase conversions. Because the reality is your phone lines aren't open 24 hours a day. And if they were, you'd be exhausted answering them. Most businesses switch off at 5 or 6, but your customers don't. People are still searching, still landing on your website, still looking to book, and if there's nothing there to capture them, you're losing those leads. So what you can do is install a chatbot on your website. And we do this for a lot of our clients, and the benefit is that it can actually have a full conversation with the customer. So instead of someone landing on your site and leaving, the chatbot starts talking to them, asking questions about the job and understanding what they need. Then what it does is it takes all that information and books it into your system. That could be an app on your phone or your CRM. So when you wake up the next day, you've already got leads sitting there ready to follow up. You can just jump in, continue the conversation and close the job. And another big advantage of this is that it allows your business to effectively run 24 hours a day. Even if your phone is off, your website is still working. In fact, you can even set your Google Business Profile to show it as open 24 hours because technically you are. Your chatbot is handling inquiries the whole time. And what we've seen is that businesses that do this get more inquiries, more calls, and overall better performance on their Google listing because you're always available. So instead of missing leads after hours, you've got something working in the background, capturing capturing them for you. And that's how you make sure your website is more than just a pretty face. Thank you for watching until the end. I do hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then I've left a link in the description that's going to help you solve that problem in under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please do like and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section. We read and respond to all of the comments we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.